Alright, hey guys, Evan here from devexcen.com. In this video, I'm going to show you where to go to install Figma and then give you a brief overview of the application. Also, before we begin, if you need help with anything, feel free to leave a comment down below or join the official devexcen Discord server, and I'm sure somebody will be able to help you out there. With that said, let's get right into it. So first, if you don't have Figma already installed, you're going to need to head over to figma.com and click on the button here that says try Figma for free. You can also click up on the sign up button up here at the top. Once you create an account, it should link you to a download page where you can then download the app. Now I already have the app installed, so I'm just going to switch over to the application right now. Now the first thing I'm going to direct your attention to is the sidebar here over on the left. Here you're going to find a couple of different tabs for different parts of the application. You'll see your name here, which you can click on to go to your account settings, and you can perform different actions like changing your name, your email, password, or you can modify your Figma subscription plan. Then we'll see the search tab here, which has two different modes. Up at the top, you'll see drafts and teams. This will allow you to search your own files that you've created or that your team has created. In the community tab, which allows you to search for files publicly made available by other people in the Figma community. So for example, if I search for icons, you'll see there are tons of different Figma projects created by other people, which you can download and modify yourself. Also, there's a direct community tab on the sidebar to access community-made projects as well. The draft tab is where you'll find all your projects that you create within Figma. To create a new project file, just click on the plus sign right here next to drafts. This will create a brand new Figma file, which is automatically saved to your drafts. Up at the top, you'll see Untitled here. If you click on that, you'll see that you can rename the file to whatever you want. I'll call this project Tutorial. And you'll notice up at the top, this tab name changed to Tutorial. This tab bar at the top will allow you to switch between different projects that you currently have opened. And if you ever want to switch back to the home menu, just click the little Figma icon over here at the top left, and you're back. All right, now if we go back to our tutorial tab here, we can go back to our tutorial project. If we click the menu bar here on the side, you'll notice there's another way we can create new Figma files. If you actually go to File and then New, you'll see that we created another new file this way as well. Another thing you can do under File is you can go to New from Sketch Files. So if you're from Sketch, you can import your Sketch files directly into Figma. And you can also save this file as a .fig file somewhere on your computer, wherever you wish. We have the Share button up at the top here. Now with the Share functionality, you can do two things. You can invite someone to view, or you can invite someone to edit. If you set this to Can View, whoever you invite will only be able to view your Figma file. However, if you set this to Can Edit, then anyone you invite will be able to edit your Figma file directly. All right, that's it for this video. I don't want to get too far into it. I want to separate each different section of Figma into their own video, so that way it's easy to find and go back to if you ever need help. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, and if you need help, leave a comment down below or go into the devexcen Discord server, and I'm sure someone will be able to help you out there. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.